Imagine strolling across a college campus, surrounded by beautiful architecture and lush greenery, only to discover that these very features are silently contributing to a staggering loss of bird life. This is the reality at the University of Illinois in Champaign-Urbana, where students have taken it upon themselves to address an often overlooked environmental issue: bird strikes. But here's where it gets controversial. What if some of our most admired buildings are also the deadliest for wildlife? A dedicated group of students from the Department of Natural Resources and Environmental Sciences, NRES, housed within the College of Agricultural, Consumer, and Environmental Sciences, has embarked on a mission to document and mitigate bird deaths caused by collisions with campus structures. Known as the Bird Strike Survey, this initiative began in 2019 when concerned students decided to take action against the alarming frequency of such incidents. Their goal? To identify which buildings pose the greatest threat to birds and develop strategies to make the campus safer for avian visitors. From September to November during the fall migration season, and again from March to May in the spring, volunteers conduct twice-daily surveys around problematic buildings. When they encounter injured or deceased birds, they meticulously record details, including species type, location, time of discovery, and even the orientation of the window involved. This data helps pinpoint patterns, such as specific building designs or lighting conditions that disproportionately endanger birds. For instance, reflective glass surfaces can deceive birds into thinking they're flying toward open skies or trees, leading to devastating crashes. Similarly, artificial lights at night often confuse migrating birds, pulling them off course and increasing their vulnerability. Sarah Jacobson, an NRES senior deeply involved in the project, explains why this issue matters so much. Bird strikes represent a massive problem in areas where urban landscapes meet natural habitats, she says. Campuses like ours serve as critical stopover points for migratory birds, making them particularly susceptible. According to estimates, approximately 1 billion birds perish annually in North America due to collisions with human-made structures. A sobering statistic that underscores the urgency of the situation. The team isn't just collecting data. They're actively working toward tangible solutions. Discussions are underway with university officials about implementing design modifications that could reduce bird strikes. Ideas include applying transparent films to windows to minimize reflections or installing sticker grades that create visual barriers, preventing birds from attempting to fly through. These measures may seem simple, but their potential impact is profound. And this is the part most people miss. Birds play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They control insect populations, disperse seeds, and contribute to biodiversity. Yet, as Benjamin Van Doren, an assistant professor in NRES and faculty advisor to the project, points out, bird populations across North America are declining rapidly, and building collisions are a significant factor. We're losing birds at an alarming rate, he warns. Addressing this issue isn't just about protecting individual species. It's about safeguarding entire ecosystems. What makes this effort truly remarkable is its interdisciplinary nature. The leadership team includes students from diverse academic backgrounds, each bringing unique expertise to the table. Senior NRES students Sarah Jacobson and Ren Dulnev focus on ecological insights and fieldwork methodologies, while Avi Berger, a graduate student specializing in evolution, ecology, and behavior, oversees specimen preservation. Meanwhile, Leilani Fuentes Garcia, a senior in sustainable design, and Ciara Rune West, a junior in civil engineering, contribute innovative ideas for bird-friendly construction practices. Together, they form a powerhouse of collaboration aimed at creating lasting change. If you've ever been curious about bird identification, conservation efforts, or how small changes in design can yield big results for wildlife, now's your chance to get involved. The Bird Strike Survey is recruiting volunteers for its upcoming fall season, starting September 5th. Participants will learn valuable skills while contributing to meaningful research. Interested individuals can sign up via the project's website. So, what do you think? Should universities prioritize retrofitting existing buildings to protect wildlife, even if it comes with financial costs? Or should new construction bear the brunt of responsibility? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.